I want students to see how God has intricately planned not just the universe, but he has a plan for them. One of the most fascinating things I like to do with students is the grunion wrens. And yes, they are real. They actually are these little fish that live only on our coast. And that's the only place in the world that these fish live. And what happens is they actually spawn on land. And it's really cool because you get to learn about the tides. You get to learn about high tides, spring tides, neap tides. You get to learn that the grunion actually only come up after the highest high tides, and then they lay their eggs in the sand, and that happens at night. What's cool is that we can figure out exactly when they come based upon the moon, and so we go grunion hunting, and we watch the whole spawning, and it happens on the beach. And that's just really cool for them to see this. It's fun, it's exciting, it's science that's real, and it lets them see that there's a plan. And if God has a plan for an itty bitty little fish, imagine the plans that he has for them.